It's a triple. Running a little, it's 410. We're gonna get my stuff set up here. A little low on gas, I think. Alright, so I got it on 410. I got suction in there. We're just gonna start it. They're both low sides. Go ahead and start it up. Start up both units on cooling. I've got that refrigerant right here. On 410, we gotta be above 120 on the suction. This is a 3/8 adapter, 3/16 by quarter. Yeah, we're definitely low there. See, we're 66. That's gonna be above 120, something like that's good. It says it cools when you do one zone, not both. See, we're dropping there. We gotta put some in it. Let's open. Give it a little gas. Giving it a little gas. Not too much. Gonna kind of regulate it in. Should be weighed in, but I mean it's a leaker. It's definitely low. Definitely a little low. Yeah, we'll put some in it. Keep them running. See, we're already at 108. I'm gonna give it some more. It's ramping up now. Giving it a little juice, giving it a little dinosaur juice on that baby. Gotta get it up to above 120. When it's ramped up now. It's got these two zones calling. It's actually a triple. They said you're supposed to weigh it in, but I'm not that technical. See, we're at 105 already. I'll give it a little bit more. You can tell when it starts going in with the suction pressure. You don't want to give it too much. You got to flash it when it goes in. You don't want to ice it up. We're at 117, that ain't bad there. Superheat's 15. That's pretty close right there. It's ramped up. 12 degrees superheat. 120 on the suction. That's good.